In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add hidden fields in Typeform. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here to typeform.com. Once you're in there, next thing you need to do is to just input right here or click on this Get Started That's Free option in order to create an account. Or if you want, you can also just click on this Sign Up option. If you already have an account like I did, click onto this Login option right here. So let me just proceed to login. Now here is my actual dashboard into my Typeform. I have in here this forms that I have created. So let's try to click onto this form and let's add right here a hidden field into this particular form. In order to do that, we need to actually select a logic based on this. So for example, let's head over and click onto this particular question. And once you're in there, click onto this form settings. You can see the form mode, display, preferences, access and scheduling, as well as language options right here. So in there, what we can do is we can just input a logic into it. From this part, make sure to click onto this workflow option, and you should be able to see the actual workflow for it. So what we can do is we can just input right here a particular logic. To do that, select in here the question that you want to apply logic with. We have in here this always go to. So this is what the logic for that, and this is what that will look like. So for this particular option, we just need to head over and click on the personalized data option that will appear. You can click onto this add rule, and you can input right here the if option and if it contains a particular condition. You can proceed to add that rule if you would want right there. Now in here, if you want or if you wish to actually add the hidden content or hidden field, you can proceed to add it into this particular option. Just head over and then add a new parameter for this part. Just pull the data in, add a new parameter, and save it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.